So as the cases of the novel coronavirus increase in Africa, governments are taking action to prevent a full outbreak. Algeria, Senegal, Egypt, Nigeria, Tunisia and South Africa, as well as Morocco, have all recorded cases of COVID-19, so 7 so far. The total number of cases on the continent now stands at 27, Algeria being the most affected with 17 cases so far. South Africa, Tunisia and Nigeria have 1 case each, while Senegal reported 4 and Egypt 2. So numerous events, sports matches and conferences in various countries have been cancelled or postponed in efforts to curb the spread. Let's bring in now Noma Bolani. You saw at the top of the hour promoing. She's at a place in Morocco, and we know Morocco is one of the African countries that have confirmed cases of coronavirus. Norma, a very good morning to you. We know that so far there have been 2 confirmed cases of coronavirus, the COVID-19 novel coronavirus in Morocco. Take us through the airport screening when you arrived on Wednesday.
Yes, good morning, Blaine. As you've said, that there's been 2 confirmed cases of corona, and the 2 travelers were coming from Italy. But our experience landing at the Casablanca airport was that it was normal immigration, except for a form that we filled in to determine which destination we come from and if we've been in contact with anybody with the virus. So we didn't have any thermal screenings at the airport as yet. I know that they are rolling them out here because of the 2 cases that have been confirmed. So they are trying to step up their measures.
So 2 cases confirmed. Back home here in South Africa, Norma, you would know that the president yesterday said we shouldn't panic, but be alert. Vigilance is key. What sort of atmosphere is there in Morocco? What are residents concerned about?
I'm laughing because residents here in Casablanca were laughing at me and the camera person, calling us nicknames such as Corona because we were the only 2 wearing masks in the city. We were going around searching for SIM cards to connect for our crossings, and they were basically making fun of it. So everything has been taken quite lightly by the residents here, and I think for them, they don't have the sort of panic that South Africa has since South Africa has confirmed a case yesterday. I saw on Twitter that there's been a lot of panic and people concerned if we'll be able to control, infections in South Africa. But here in Morocco, it's quite different. People are much more laid back.
Yeah, so far, I guess, there are 7 countries on the continent that have reported cases of COVID-19, the novel coronavirus, South Africa being the latest with 1 confirmed case. Talk to us about the rest of the continent. What are you hearing in terms of heightened sense of caution?
Yes, March was actually quite a big month for Africa in terms of events and sporting events, conferences, meetings. Like if you look at Ghana, the AU's Africa Capacity Building Foundation, together with the African Continental Free Trade, we're going to be hosting a meeting of Minister of Finances. And that has been cancelled, because Ghana is saying that they don't want to take any risks of bringing in people who have been in contact with COVID-19 patients. But they're saying also that they want to curb and make sure that there isn't a full outbreak in Africa. We see in Senegal, the very first Africa Basketball League was about to start next week, and that also has been postponed to a later date until the pandemic has been put under control. We see here in Morocco that a government business meeting has also been cancelled. It's called the Dakhla Conference that has been cancelled, as well as football matches will now be played without any fans. So stadiums will be closed, the matches will continue, and this is basically to ensure that any large gatherings aren't a possibility to spread the virus.
All right, Noma, thank you very much indeed for your reporting there. Noma Bolani live for us in Morocco.